Okay, so I think we're streaming today on my Sakai live streaming. It's going to be short. I'm going to work on this one, Spurious log message. Now this is one I found while I was working on other stuff, and so this is going to be super easy. So I'm going to open it. I've got to assign it to myself. I'm going to start progress. Get rid of email. Email's got to go. I do not have email on. Goodbye, email. Don't need that. Okay, so let's start up a terminal program. Dev cd Sakai. Start. It's all going to be tool code, so I can go ahead and start Sakai because it'll all hot deploy. So I'm. Oh, wait a sec. Ah, shoot. I don't have my database up yet. And that's going to blow up. So my stop script, I think my stop script stops fine. Okay, that's quite nice. Start. And my database is up. That'll make me a lot happier. Okay, so let's move this guy over here. My calendar. Time stops when I'm coding on Sakai. Okay, so where are we at? Let's take a look at this. So this is the announcements tool. So we'll go into trunk, announcements. Get on in the tool because that's where I'm going. These older tools, they have another layer of whatever, and I wish we didn't have that, but we're to POM, and so now I can recompile from right here. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Chef announcements revise dot VM. Oh, got a typo here. Fix that. So this is like taking me right to it. So I'm just going to go here. Line dot minus name. It's going to be so easy. First, I'm going to figure out what's going on. Left side. Let's just see if 146 is the right clue. If not groups or groups dot size. That's pretty good. Okay, so let's go reproduce this. I mean, it's a good idea to be able to reproduce it, and then I'll update the test plan. Okay, so when do we see this? Not there. Okay, so it happens when you press edit on an existing one, and it happens when you press add. Ah, that's easy. So to reproduce, press add for a new message, or press Okay, so now we know how to do it. Group size. Operation has null value. Set show group to true. This logic doesn't seem right to me. My instinct is that has got to be an and. groups and group size is greater than 1. Set show group. I think this is a bug. I think this is like a mistake. I think that should be and. Does this be the... Well, it might take me a little more time. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go take a look in the controller code. And let's look for putting it into the context. Putting it in context. Context puts sorted groups. Show all. I'm so tempted to fix a typographical error, but I won't. Channel get groups allow get message. What are we doing here? It's like build main. Oh, there's a lot of code in here. Boys and girls. Oh, it's got that stick. Yeah, it's build main. Oh no, this would be in build. Well, I don't know. Build add. So what's this? Build revise. Okay. Build revise. Quiet reference. When velocity so that's just quiet. That's not nodding it. So I'm pretty sure that this really is intended to be the, because if it's null, size is not going to be greater than 1. So this is not a not. That's quiet. That's tolerating the fact that it might not exist quietly. So if groups and group size is greater than 1, so if this is null or non-existent, then that'll become. This must exist for this to be evaluated. So this becomes a guardian pattern at that point. Yeah. I think that's it. I think that's it. This is just a badly done guardian pattern that used or instead of and. Show group. Yeah, because, right. If groups is null or empty, we just don't want to do this. And it works out that way because the groups don't show up. Like the groups don't show up here. There are no groups. So groups don't show up. And so I think we're in good shape. This is going to be easy money. So now what I do is I refresh and then I add and I see no error message. I think we're done. Okay, so let's send this one in. Get diff. Really? It's going to be one line. Yep. Get status. Make sure I'm on master. Get checkout. Minus B. So I'm going to write me a minivan on this one because this one I wrote myself and now I'm fixing it with 2-character fix. Get commit minus A. Fix Spurious. IOUS. Error message. Get push origin. SAK-32724. Shakada. And then we're gonna go to GitHub. Go to my Sakai fork. Compare and pull request. This one I'm not even gonna review. I'm gonna use my administrator GitHub squash power, but I am going to wait just to be a good guy. Let's come back and get checkout master. So I'm good on that. Come on, run Travis. What's going on? How come Travis is not running? I'm sure there's okay, well. Oh, Travis is running. Yeah, I'm going to let Travis run. It's tacky to merge your own pull requests, but it's even tackier to merge your own pull requests with them before Travis runs. Even though I'm sure this has no errors in it. Okay, let's see if anybody reviewed any of my stuff while I was here. CSEV. I got 2 things. No, that was an important fix. Oh, did somebody say something? Don't tell me. What does this mean? Where are we at? This code I wrote? Holy crap, Earl. You're like the best teacher of stuff. Typically, if your method returns a map, oh, Earl, you are so much the teacher. Get status. I don't even have to reboot my Sakai. Done here, done there. So now I'm going to go into basic LTI, and this is in IFP. Palms right there. That's one thing I do in more modern tools. This is a more modern tool. It was written about 5 years ago. Okay, so this is going to be in controller. I love JSR 168. I wish we'd written all our tools in JSR 168. It's so elegant. It's model view controller before they even had that term. Okay, Earl, return null. Okay, so 289. So Earl, no, that's not what's going on here. Where am I at? Sakai iframe Java, is that where I'm at? What the freak? Let's go. Let's make get status. Oh, I'm in the wrong branch. No wonder it's not there. Get checkout. Now I should be able to find this. 289. Yay! Okay, so I truly intend this is an object that's going to be a map or it's going to be null, but an empty map is going to confuse the crap out of things. So typically if your method is to return a map, it's always good for to return a map, even if it's an empty map. No, but it's a private method. Okay. So first, this has no reason to be public, so private. Okay, so that's easy enough. Make that private. And if returning null, then use optional. What does this mean? Let's go to Stack Overflow from Earl. Earl's teaching me something. And should Java 8 getters return optional? Optional fire. Why is optional preferential to null checking? What the frick? I think what he's trying to tell me to say here is it's an optional map. I'm sure there's some Golang or something. It's like, you're so cool if it's optional. But hey, I don't want to return an empty map, okay? I just want to indicate I want to say that. If value is present will turn true and yeah, will return the value. Oh, wait a second. I don't want to do this. If the value is present and get will return the value. Are you kidding me? I don't like this. I guess this doesn't work. I don't like this. I'm not going to use this present. I'm just not. What the frick? I don't think this is going to work. I'm happy to say optional. Class optional. I don't know if I agree with you on this, so let's just throw this in. That basically wraps the returned object and tells me if it's present or not. I don't think that helps. Yeah, see, that's what I figured. $1.99. Yeah, I gotta. This is just like, I think like software architects are overthinking this frickin' problem. Shit. No. All I would do is, it's not there, I would set it to null. No, I'm not going to do it. Sorry, Earl. Sorry, I'm not doing it. Undo. 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 Go back to the way the code was before. Oh, I will make it private. I will make it private. That I'm willing to do. That I'm willing to do. Okay. So I'm good with making it private. I'm good with making it private. But it's got to line up with these other things. Now, let me compile here. I'm not going to change how this guy works, how this patch guy works. Well, I didn't mean to compile it there. I meant to compile it here. So this patch guy, right? This is going to return a content, and like this guy returns content. I can make that guy optional, but I don't want to be asymmetric here. I want to do the same thing here. Get a content. And I'm sorry, this optional stuff, this is so that the Golang wannabe hipsters just like, oh, I can pretend I'm writing Go in Java. Like, I'm sorry, I don't care about that. So I'll make it private. I'm digging that. But I'm resistant to the optional thing, Earl. We're going to have to chat about that. We're going to have to chat about that. You're going to have to convince me that this isn't just like wannabe Golang crap. Because I think that's what it is. Some of that wannabe Golang crap is good, and some of that wannabe Golang crap is bad. So, but. So let's go back to here. Earl. Okay. So I've made it private. Okay, so I'm gonna git commit and say okay, so that's going to go zippity-doo-dah right up to GitHub. My GitHub. So I'm 2 commits ahead. That's exactly what I expect. And I expect that this will have fired up to have refired. That will have refired Travis. This one has got about 20 more minutes in Travis, so I can't work on that. But I'm going to plug. I'm not even going to do a review on that one. Okay, so I think that for now we're done. Thank you for watching. That was an easy one. Stop streaming. Cheers all.